Welcome to this series on PowerHEDA Tools. I am Evan from the IDSC training team, and I will be your guide in this tutorial. The Admin menu. The PowerHEDA Tools menu is accessible from anywhere in PowerHEDA. Click on the Tools icon to the left of the PowerHEDA or institution logo. The Admin menu is the first set of tiles that are available in the PowerHEDA Tools. The Dashboard Manager is the first tile available in the Admin menu. The Dashboard Manager has three views: the default administrator view for users that have administrator privileges, the user view, and the tile view. Tile view opens in a familiar Windows 8 interface. In Administrator view, any user with administrator or assigned privileges can manage all aspects of the dashboards. A dashboard can be searched for by entering the dashboard name or the group that it belongs to in the filter boxes. The blue oval containing a D indicates the default dashboard. This dashboard will display for all users before they sign into PowerHEDA or for any new user that signs into PowerHEDA. The default can be set by clicking on the gray oval for the selected dashboard to become the default dashboard. Dashboards can be ordered in their lists by setting an order number. A color can be assigned to a dashboard, and this will be the color of the tile in user view or in tile view. Click on the magnifier to open or view the selected dashboard. Remember that once a dashboard is opened, it will be the current user's last opened dashboard and will be opened if the user clicks on the PowerHEDA or institution logo to go to the last opened dashboard. Clicking on the remove icon or delete icon will permanently delete this dashboard. It cannot be undone or retrieved. The options for dashboard settings and sharing options become available when a dashboard is selected. Here, the name of a dashboard can be changed. This will be the default name or title for the dashboard that will appear in the title widget. This is similar to the customize option in the dashboard. A description can be entered or edited here. A group can be edited or selected here. And all the options that are available on the Customize or Create dashboard screen are available here, including permissions to share this dashboard or assign role permissions. Switching to User View, this has less functionality than Administrator View. The search allows a user to enter a search string and find a specific dashboard. Dashboard groups are listed on the left, and the dashboards that have been assigned to that group are represented by tiles on the right hand side. Note that if a color was set for a dashboard, the tile will display in the set color. Tile view displays very similarly, but in the familiar Windows 8 interface. The PowerHEDA Explorer Manager is where the administrator defines and sets up the PowerHEDA Explorer menu. When selecting a module or a folder, the PowerHEDA Explorer Manager will display the properties in the window on the right. This will primarily consist of the name of the module, and in the case of a module, whether it is active or inactive. A module is defined as the high-level node of the menu structure, while a folder is contained within a module. A folder then contains subfolders or links to objects in PowerHEDA. When selecting a link in the PowerHEDA Explorer menu structure, the PowerHEDA Explorer Manager will display the properties in the window on the right. The object type will display or can be set to any PowerHEDA object. The object can also be selected from a drop-down box. These are preset in PowerHEDA. A name can be set for the object link. The hyperlink name will display in the PowerHEDA Explorer menu. The URL is the link to the PowerHEDA object. User access can be set for this particular link on the PowerHEDA Explorer menu if it is to be restricted to specific user roles. To create a new module, folder, or object link, simply right-click on the menu and select the option from the context menu. The option also exists to delete a folder or a module or an object hyperlink. The Data Groups Manager allows the administrator to create and manage data groups. Data groups allows for datasets to be grouped and identified for the type of data it presents. A list of data groups displays on the left. By selecting a node, the details will display in the window on the right. The name and description can be edited here. To add a new data group, right-click on any node in the window on the left. Add sibling will create a new node on the same level as selected. Add child will create a new node a level below the one selected. Delete node will remove the currently selected node. This action cannot be undone. The My Favorites tile will open a list of all PowerHEDA objects that have been linked to the My Favorites menu. To add to this menu, open the HEDA Explorer and right-click on the PowerHEDA object that you wish to add to your My Favorites menu. A folder cannot be added to the My Favorites menu. This will display at the bottom of the PowerHEDA Explorer in My Favorites and also in the My Favorites menu, accessible from the Tools menu. For users with limited permissions, the Tools menu will open the My Favorites menu. The Dashboard Layout Manager is where the administrator can edit and define the list of additional dashboards for dashboards that can be applied when the dashboard is created or when using the Customize function from the Edit menu. Use the Search function to search for a specific dashboard layout. All custom layouts are listed here. Click on the Edit icon for an existing dashboard layout. Click on the Remove icon to delete the dashboard layout. This action cannot be undone. To create a new dashboard layout, click on the button Add Dashboard Layout. The dashboard layout editor will open just like when we click the edit icon. A name can be entered for the dashboard layout. Sections can be compared to rows or horizontal breaks on the dashboard. Each section can be defined with its own column breakdown. In this case, section 1 would have 2 columns, and section 2 will only have 1 column, which will span the entire dashboard width. Columns can be defined as an absolute width in pixels or as a ratio where each value per column must add up to 100, representing 100%, and the ratio splits the columns on the dashboard. To delete, simply right-click and select Delete. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions or any feedback on this tutorial, please send an email to support@idsc.co.za.